Good morning, students. Let's continue operation on sets, in which I want to explain to you union of sets. Union you learn from Venn diagram, but here what is the definition of union? That means X belongs to A, X belongs to B, and X belongs to A intersection B, where X is some element in A and B. A union B is this. An example you can see, if A and B are two sets and we want to find out their union, means we have to combine all elements of A and B, but repeated element should be written once only. You can see A, B, C, D, and CD already we have taken. That's why this CD should not be written it again, and E and F. That's why this is union of A and B, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. And one more example I have taken. You can see here A and B are the two sets and we want to find out their union. That's why we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4 already we have taken. That's a 5, 7, 9. This is called union of two sets. Now intersection of sets. For any two sets A and B, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Means that element should be common in both. Written as A intersection B. The symbol is used A intersection B. In Venn diagram also you have seen the common part of A and B. You can see an example. If A is A, B, C, D and B is B, C, D, E, F. Therefore what is common here? C is common and D is common. That's why this is called intersection. And similarly, if A and B having these kind of elements, then what is common? You can see here between 0 and 3 only 1 and 2, and here from 2 less than 5 is 2, 3, 4. That's why what is common? 2 is common, which is called their intersection. And now disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means nothing is common. If A intersection B is 5, that is called disjoint sets. You can see A and B, these are the two sets. As nothing is common in between, no element is common, that's why they are called disjoint sets. Now difference of the two sets. How to subtract two sets means if any element belongs to the set A, does not belong to B, is called A minus B. And if X belongs to B and X does not belong to it, that is called B minus A. And A minus B can be written as A intersection B complement, and B minus A can be written as B intersection A complement. By Venn diagram you have seen their shaded area. Let's learn from some example. A and B are the two sets. If we want to find out A minus B, it means we have to remove elements in A, common element of A and B. That is 3 and 4 is common. That's why we have to remove that from A. That will become 1 and 2, called A minus B, and similarly B minus A. Now complement of a set. Complement means first we need a universal set, and universal set we have taken from 1 to 9, and A set we have taken 1, 3, 5, 7. Then what is the meaning of complement? Means remaining element of A from U, and we have taken 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 from universal set. What's the meaning of it? The element which belongs to U and does not belong to A is called complement of a set. That should be written as universal set minus A. Complement can be written as either A dash or A power C or not A.